Have a look at this content, all of y'all. It is an informal letter. Okay. Have a look at this content. Now have a look at this content. The length is approximately similar, approximately, but the content added, okay, but the content added over here is far more simplified than the content added over here. In a formal letter, the only punctuation that you can use is a comma and a full stop. In an informal letter, you'll have to put in certain expressions, so adding an exclamatory mark and so on. Now, as per, just compare these two contents, compare the, marking scheme that I have mentioned to you all. And now tell me, what is more beneficial to be written? A formal letter or an informal letter? It is always beneficial to go in for a formal letter rather than an informal letter. Always remember that. Obviously a formal letter, and the only punctuation that you'll need to add in a formal letter is a full stop. Okay, it is going to be a full stop or max to max a comma, nothing more than that. Is a concept clear to all of y'all? Is a content, is a concept of letter writing clear to all of y'all now? Any doubts pertaining to letter writing? Any doubts related to the format? Any doubts related to the content? Okay, and do follow the same trick, that the one that I've given you all for writing skills. Do follow the same trick for your letter writing also. That is going to help you understand your concepts better, excel in all your contents better. Okay, so with this we'll wind up with our class, and your sir is out here to address you all, so just give me a moment. Thank you so much, guys. And it was wonderful mentoring you all. Looking forward to meeting you all once again. Over to you,
Hello.
Chirag, sir.
Yeah, I hope I'm audible, Nikita ma'am.
Yes, sir. Absolutely audible.
Okay. So very good morning, or should I say afternoon, all my dear friends and their parents if they're listening. Yeah, I'm sure you all attended all the lectures throughout the language announcement, that is yesterday and today, as well as feel the difference at my tutorials, right? So this entire journey throughout the end of December was all about how different are we at my tutorials and how well we practice and try different things so that we are more and more effective to make sure that you get good grades. Yeah, आपके marks अच्छे आए इसलिए हम लोग बहुत कुछ अलग अलग चीजें try करते रहते हैं, and we make it a point that all the methods that we use ideally end up making sure that you get better marks as well as you are interested in the subject, right? So all the team of teachers that we have here, our focus is very clear कि हम चाहते हैं कि आपको सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट आना शुरू हो जाए, या अगर आपकी भाषा में बोलो तो मजा है, राइट? बट मजे का दो मतलब होता है, वी डू नॉट get into any activity which is non-academic, right? We are purely into academics. That has always been our focus right from day one, right? So I would really uh, want you to give your feedback with regards to all the lectures that have been conducted in the last week of December, as well as the Feel the Difference lectures that were conducted on Sundays. If you've attended them, do let us know. How did you feel? How much did they benefit you, right? And at the end of the day, I would of course say that the enrollments for the grade 9th and the grade 10th for next year have already begun at the centers. So अगर आपने अब तक admissions नहीं लिए हैं, and if you really want to consider taking an admission at Mahesh Tutorials and continue with the same method of teaching throughout your 9th as well as 10th standard, feel free to drop in at our centers. We are open from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, right? Lectures, branches will not be open on 2nd and 3rd of January. So from 4th of January, you can come to the centers. Branches are open on 29th, 30th and 31st of January also. So you can also drop in at the center on these days, right? Again, if you've not yet enrolled at Mahesh Tutorials, feel free to come down to the center, take the further inquiry and enroll yourself. अच्छा, अगर आपने कोई भी लेक्चर मिस किया है